10 interesting theories about the universe. A holographic universe. Some scientists believe that we live in a massive hologram. Even though the theory may sound far-fetched and absurd for many, there is a high probability that this might be true. According to this emerging theory, the universe in which we live is a vast and complex hologram. A hologram is a two-dimensional surface but appears to have a third dimension. A hologram, when viewed, gives an illusion of having depth. The theory was first proposed in the 1990s by physicist Leonard Susskind. The concept of multiverse. The term multiverse was coined in 1895 by American philosopher William James. Those who are big fans of Marvel comic books and movies might be familiar with the concept of the multiverse. The concept proposes that there might be an infinite number of universes, just like our universe. These universes can have their own separate laws of physics as well as a different set of galaxies and stars. Furthermore, these universes can also exhibit signs of intelligent civilizations. Origins of the multiverse concept arise from the inflation theory. A recycled universe. This theory is one of the many controversial theories regarding the existence of the universe. It is also known as the cyclic universe theory. The theory states that a repulsive form of energy, called the cosmological constant or lambda, gravitationally repels itself and causes the expansion of the universe. According to the proponents of the theory, Steinhardt and Turek believe that the universe is expanding and recycling itself. Therefore, the Earth has exploded multiple times into existence in an endless cycle of birth and end of life. The stimulation theory. According to the theory of stimulation laid out by Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom, the universe is nothing but an ultra-sophisticated computer simulation. Thus, the theory states that we are living in the imagination of a technologically advanced computer. For him, neither the universe nor its components are as real as it seems. Furthermore, he also states that all human-like civilizations will become extinct before they develop the technological capacity to create simulated realities. The idea behind the theory of stimulation was used to create the sci-fi movie franchise The Matrix. Big Bang Theory. It is one of the most popular theories regarding the existence of the universe. The theory of the Big Bang was introduced in 1927 by an astronomer named Georges Lemaitre. According to this astronomical theory, the universe was created from a massive explosion that occurred roughly 13.8 billion years ago. The theory also states that after the explosion, the universe stretched as large as it could and still keeps expanding exponentially. Moreover, the theory also states that the universe moves in a single direction. The Big Splat Theory. The Big Splat theory propounded that the galaxies in our universe will drift far away from each other in the future. Subsequently, the light from each galaxy will not reach each other. Without light and heat, organisms will cease to exist, and the universe will become an empty, dark and cold void. Earlier the theory was known as the ekpyrotic theory. It was later renamed Big Splat Theory by American theoretical physicist Michio Kaku. Brane World Theory. According to this theory, our universe is a three-dimensional membrane, existing inside a fourth spatial dimension. This fourth dimension exists in the perpendicular direction and is referred to as the bulk. The theory also suggests that our universe floats in this bulk and can smash other universes floating in the higher dimensional space. However, based on the hypothesis, we are constricted to our three-dimensional universe. The evolving universe. According to the theory proposed by Lee Smolin, excessive compression of matter at the eye of a black hole might lead to the creation of a new infant universe. This newly produced universe with its own set of physics and related laws. Lee Smolin also states that the number of universes produced is dependent on the number of black holes present in a universe. He summarized and published this particular idea of the evolving universe in his book called The Life of the Cosmos. Superfluid space-time. Albert Einstein described the universe in 4 dimensions. In recent years, scientists and physicists have suggested that space-time might be a slippery type of fluid. Proposed by Stefano Liberati of the Ludwig Maximilian University, the superfluid space-time theory is regarded as one of the strangest theories about the universe. The theory suggests that space-time is an extremely fluid material with zero viscosity. As a result of no friction, space-time spread with vortices. These vortices might have pollinated galaxies similar to bees pollinating flowers. The steady-state theory. In cosmology, the steady-fast theory is considered as an alternative perspective of the Big Bang theory. The theory contends that the universe is expanding endlessly while its density of matter remains unchanged over time. Thus, it states that the universe remains the same regardless of time and place. The theory does not agree that the universe was started a particular number of years ago. Also, it does not concur that the universe is ending a specified number of years. The theory became widely popular in 1948, with the publication of 2 papers written by English astronomer Fred Hoyle. However, not all scientists agree with the principles of the steady-state theory.